Parth Nair.
Myself Isha Goyal.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Sharma.
Hello everyone, my name is Palak Magru.
Hello everyone, myself Tanvi Malik from Lady Harding Medical College of Delhi University.
I studied at Scholars Academy in class 10th and I scored 96% in CBSE Boards 2020.
I secured 631 marks in NEET 2019.
I studied at Scholars Academy in 10th standard and I scored 96%.
I scored 599 marks out of 720 in NEET 2019.
Since the teachers here are also very supportive, they used to clear our doubt whenever we require them. The environment at Scholars Academy is very study oriented and teachers are also very hard.
All my teachers at Scholars Academy were very supportive. They always encouraged us to push our limits. They're also very approachable even outside the classroom. I and my peers, we always received the personal attention that we needed and there were never any doubts left unsolved.
I always wanted that I should learn the difficult concepts in an easy way, and the teachers were exceptional in doing all this.
I am very thankful to Scholars Academy, to Sudhanshu sir, for supporting me all throughout my preparation time, and till now in every field he's truly a best mentor. He's truly the best mentor.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Sharma. I studied at Scholars Academy in 10th standard and I scored 96%. My teachers at Scholars Academy have a big contribution in helping me achieve that score. All my teachers at Scholars Academy were very supportive. They always encouraged us to push our limits. They're also very approachable even outside the classroom. I and my peers, we always received the personal attention that we needed and there were never any doubts left unsolved. We also had weekly tests from the beginning of the year which ensured that we were always on our toes. Apart from just being able to solve questions, a lot of emphasis was put on understanding the concepts and learning them by heart, even in social science. In social science, we were given tasks to research on topics and then share them in class. That helped me a lot in improving my general knowledge and being able to appreciate history and society. By the end of the year, we had completed our syllabus well in time, and that gave us the time to give a lot of mock tests, about 8 to 9 for each subject. And I think we're all familiar with NTSC, National Talent Search Examination, conducted by the Government of India for class 10 students. We had weekly classes for them, apart from the regular classes that we had, and I cannot emphasize it enough on how well they prepared me for the exam. Also, apart from just the syllabus of class 10, our teachers always challenged us to go for the next level. We always came out of the classroom having had learned something new and being more curious. I highly encourage all my juniors to join Scholars Academy. All the best.
Hello all. Today myself Isha Goyal and I did my coaching from Akash Janakpuri previously and given NEET 2020. There I got 568 marks. But as you know, the competition is rising day by day, so these are not sufficient to get admission in a good MBBS college. So there I got recommendation from my sister as well as my friends who are at the medical college, and I am in the droppers batch of the Scholars Academy. I would like to share my experience at Scholars Academy. This is my correct decision that I was at Scholars Academy. Since the teachers here are also very supportive, they used to clear our doubt whenever we require them. The environment at Scholars Academy is very study oriented and teachers are also very hardworking. Whenever we are in the class, you know that this is COVID-19 phase, but we are bound to take classes from home. And whenever we require our teacher or whenever we have any doubt, they used to clear our doubt. In the class also, whenever we have doubt, we used to switch on our mics and can clear our doubt there and only. We don't have to memorize for the later on. And in the class, the questions that we are taught, they are also solving our previous year questions also, and we can solve most of the question by them only. I am very happy that I am here, and I am pretty sure that I will get a good rank in the NEET 2021 with the help of the Scholars Academy and with the hard work of our teachers who are continuously guiding us, motivating us. My friends are also very benefited from here Scholars Academy. I also recommend my friends after seeing the huge difference between the quality of Akash Janakpuri and Scholars. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Palak Magru and I scored 599 marks out of 720 in NEET 2019. So, as NEET is approaching, today I'll be talking about few things that if you follow can give you an edge above the others. In the end, I'll also be talking about few additional things. So let's begin. In the last few days of your preparation, you do not have to pick a new topic or new concept to study. Whatever you have done so far is sufficient. You just need to revise. So revise, revise, revise. Revision is the key. So keep revising the old concepts instead of making new concepts. The next thing is that actually our brain has more tendency to forget the facts when compared to the conceptual things. So in the last few days of your preparation, you can turn your focus more on the factual chapters, like the chapters of ecology or any other chapter. In that case, if those questions land up in your examination, you will be able to answer them with full confidence and no doubt in your mind. Next point is that you might have gone through the previous year question papers of NEET and you might have observed one thing, that a number of questions from the diagrams land up in your papers. So for that, whenever you're revising biology, you have to go through each and every diagram very carefully so that you can answer the diagrams very nicely.
I studied at Scholars Academy in class 10th and I scored 96% in CBSE Boards 2020, and I'm currently a student of class 11th. The credit for all my success goes to all the hardworking teachers at Scholars Academy. Whenever I used to go there was always a feeling of joy. I always was inclined towards studies, whether it be physics, maths or any other subject. And the fact that I had to learn something new always encouraged me. But apart from this encouragement, you also need the right teachers to guide you on this path so that you can understand and grasp the concepts better. And I found all these things at Scholars Academy. Whenever I used to enter a class, there was a sense of joy. I always wanted that I should learn the difficult concepts in an easy way. And the teachers were exceptional in doing all this. Whenever I used to ask any doubt, there was an immediate response from their side, which ensured that I exited the class with absolutely no doubts. Apart from that, there were also many frequent exams which tested us at every point. Sometimes the results were not encouraging, while other times the results were great, which always told us that you always need to work hard in order to maintain that balance between everything. And all the success, all the things which I have ever achieved in my life were all the fruits of the hardworking teachers at Scholars Academy. I recommend all my juniors to join Scholars Academy now.
Hello everyone, myself Tanvi Malik from Lady Hardinge Medical College of Delhi University. I secured 631 marks in NEET 2019. और आज मैं आप सबके साथ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाली हूँ जिससे कि आप वो गलतियाँ ना करें अपने NEET एग्जाम्स में. First and foremost important thing is कि as soon as you reach your exam center and you're sitting in your classrooms, look at your desk and tables, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि surface जो होता है that is not even surface, plain surface नहीं होता, you have holes, you have nails. So try and adjust your posture in that way that your OMR is coming on a plain surface so that you don't face any problem while you are marking the answers on the OMR sheet. Second thing is that this is the time when you don't have to apply anything new. You'll not experiment with yourself. You'll apply all your learned skills. So if you have a pattern of doing biology first or physics first, stick to that pattern only. And accordingly you have managed your time, in how much time which subject should get completed. So stick to that only. And paper is not always in one go. Remember this thing. At least you have to go 2 rounds for your paper. So this is important because accordingly manage that you have at least 15-20 minutes extra in the end so that you can revise your paper again. And one more important thing is that follow your dress code seriously. I remember in my time, one of my very good friends, she was having big buttons on her shirt, and just because of this she was sent home back. So you people don't do any mistake regarding dress code. Reach your exam centers early and with all the necessities of admit card, Aadhaar card, whatever the guidelines you must be having, all of that. And if parents are watching this video, it's my humble request to all of them that during this time please don't pressurize students, because if they are performing under pressure or under expectation, their performance gets affected. And the natural performance of a person is the best performance. So remember that this time they should be relaxed. They should also be very confident while they're performing. And if pressure or expectations, they definitely won't perform that good. So, mera request hai to all the parents, whosoever is watching this, and to students, I wish you all good luck, great luck. May you all perform well. और मेरा या सुधांशु सर का एफर्ट ज़रूर पूरा होगा अगर आप लोग हमारी जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस मैंने आपको बताया, सर ने बताया, अगर आप उन सबको फॉलो करें एंड यू गेट द बेस्ट ऑफ द रिजल्ट्स. एंड लास्टली and I'm very thankful to Sudhanshu sir and whole of the Scholars Academy, the faculty, for supporting me so well, for supporting me all throughout my preparation time during NEET. And some special highlights about Scholars Academy which I'll include here, that this is something different I find from other institutes. Like we used to have one-on-one interactive sessions for doubt clearing, for concept clearing, like for certain topics and on students' demand. And he was always available by any means, whether it's WhatsApp medium or through calls or in classrooms. And he was so eager all the time. Not only he, other teachers were also so eager all the time for taking out their time and sitting with the students, solving their doubts, solving their problems. This is something very appreciable for what I find for Scholars Academy. And not only this, during the time of our preparation, there are times when we are very low and we need that constant push from behind, that yes, we have to keep on working hard, we don't have to stop here. And Sudhanshu sir, I really find that he's one of the best mentors we have. So all credits to Scholars Academy, Sudhanshu sir, and thank you for having me, for supporting me. Thank you everyone. Thank you sir. Thanks a lot.